And we begin this half hour with a THV 11 update as the legal fight over the LEARNS Act continues. Public school advocates taking on the plan in court. And Wake Up Central's Michaela Johnson joins us now with how that hearing went and what to expect next. Michaela?
Good morning, Karen. Judge Herbert Wright heard arguments in the hearing centered around the emergency clause. The main claim by opponents is the state legislature did not vote properly when they passed LEARNS back in March. Attorney Allie Noland, representing the plaintiffs, says it's clear lawmakers did not vote on the bill and the emergency clause separately. So let's look at the key evidence from the courtroom. Video of when the House and Senate voted on the LEARNS Act, showing the process the legislature has used for years. They tell members they're voting on both at the same time, but record the two votes separately in the official journals. Now the state says the journals are all that matter. Parliamentarians in charge of how the Senate chamber works took the stand testifying to what happened, but didn't give an opinion on whether it's proper, leaving Noland to fill in the blanks for Judge Wright.
The Constitution says separate votes. The legislature didn't take separate votes. The state should not then be able to apply the LEARNS Act illegally in a way that harms my clients and harms their children.
The judge wouldn't allow cameras to see and hear the witnesses, and attorneys representing the state were not able to speak on camera, but Attorney General Tim Griffin shared this statement with THV 11 saying in part, quote, "I am aggressively and proudly defending the LEARNS Act and the constitutionality of the process." There were no closing statements during the hearing, so what happens next? Well, it's a waiting game. Judge Wright says he will make a decision within the next 2 weeks. And for more on the AG statement, visit THV11.com to search LEARNS in Circuit Court. Karen?
All right. Thank you, Michaela. And that's a good resource for people who do want to learn more.